So hello you guys, this is me Walter along with Ruby and Laura, and this is a simple video tutorial for basic trig functions and their derivatives. And later on in the video we're going to show you guys how to put these in action with using the product and the quotient rule.
Okay, so first off, the derivative of sine x is cosine x, and the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. It's pretty simple because all you really have to do is like flip them around and just the opposite of one another. The derivative of tangent x is secant squared x.
The derivative for secant x is secant x tangent x. The derivative of cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x, and the derivative of cosecant x is equals to negative cosecant x cotangent x.
So this is example number 1, and we are going to be using the product rule. So for problem number 1, it's asking us to find the derivative of sine x and cosine x. So what Walter is doing first is writing down basically the setup to the product rule. Okay, so Walter just did the product rule, he did the basic setup, so we are going to basically be taking the derivative of cosine x and the derivative of sine x, and we are going to be multiplying them together. Using the basic trigonometric functions that we just showed to you guys, we know that the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x, which is how we get this answer right there. And we know that the derivative of sine x is cosine x, and that is how we get that answer right there. So now all we have to do is simplify them, which is what Walter is going to be doing.
I feel smart.
You should. Laura, stop. Okay, so once we simplify, we know that the derivative of f of x is equal to sine x cosine x is negative sine 2x plus cosine 2x, because we multiply them together, and that is how you get your answer.
Alright, so this is example number 2, and we're going to be taking the derivative of sine of x over x using the quotient rule. And right now Ruby is gonna take you step by step working the problem out. Right now she's basically just setting up the problem. Alright, so basically right here we have parentheses x times parentheses sine of x prime minus sine of x over times x prime over x squared. Right there she's just basically taking the derivative of sine of x, and she took the derivative of x. So it's x parentheses cosine of x, which is the derivative of sine of x, minus sine of x which, times 1, which is just a simple derivative of x over x squared. And right now she's just about to simplify to get the final answer. So your final answer is f prime of x equals x cosine x minus sine of x over x squared. And that's how you solve the problem using trigonometric functions with the quotient rule. The end, I think.
Okay, so this is just a little thank you, kind of little. Oh, no, delete. No.
Laura, no, don't stop it, Laura, don't stop it. Just keep going.
Okay. Well, this is like a little extra scene to thank you guys for watching it. See, this is Ruby right here. This is Wally, and that's me, Laura. So thank you guys, and wiki.
Wait. You said you're Laura when Laura's recording, and you called yourself Laura.
Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm a crack. Hold up.
She's nervous.
So yeah,
look, that's like me right there. Guys, Laura, zoom in. You see, guys, I'm sleeping. I was sleeping throughout like this whole thing. Yeah. Zoom into wiki. Yay, wiki. Thank you guys for watching our tutorial. Right, Laura, cut.